Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is virtuous. It is pronounced vir-chu-us and spelt V-I-R-T-U-O-U-S. Think ver, to, and then us. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Virtuous means something or someone is morally good, righteous, and has high moral standards. It's often used to describe a person who is honorable, upright, and has robust moral principles. For example, you could say, she was a virtuous woman with strong morals and a kind heart. Or, the virtuous knight saved the village from the marauding bandits. The word virtuous comes from the Latin word virtus, which means moral excellence or strength, and it is often used to describe a person who is morally good, righteous, and has high moral standards. In the children's classic novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, the main character, Tom Sawyer, despite his mischievousness, is virtuous in his loyalty to his friends and his willingness to do what is right. Synonyms for virtuous are morally good, righteous, honorable, and upright. Antonyms for virtuous include immoral, unethical, and unscrupulous. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, virtuous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.